Hello to 0254 Farm. Welcome back to another travel vlog. As you have seen from the title, today we are hitting the road to Kirinyaga County, with our destination being the beautiful and serene Castle Forest. We are chasing waterfalls, escaping into lush nature, and taking a well-deserved break from the city, all in search of fresh air and that magical feeling of being completely refreshed. So, buckle up, relax, and come along for this soul-soothing journey. And hey, if you are new here, karibu sana. Feel at home and don't forget to subscribe for more authentic travel stories from beautiful Kenya. Let's go. The vlog kicks off somewhere between Sagana and Kagio, right here in the heart of Kirinyaga County. Just take a moment to soak in the scenery. This region is incredibly fertile. The farm stretches out beautifully, and even the grass along the roadside looks lush and alive. It's the rainy season, and everything is bursting with green. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and honestly, it's just so refreshing to see nature thriving like this. Did you know Kirinyaga County gets its name from Mount Kenya? The Kikuyu called it Kirinyaga, meaning the shining mountain, inspired by its snow-capped peak that glows in the morning sun. This county lies at the foot of the mountain, and it's known for its incredible agricultural output. From world-class tea and coffee plantations to the iconic Moya rice fields, Kirinyaga plays a big role in feeding the nation. It's also a place of deep cultural roots, with stories, traditions, and a way of life that's closely tied to the mountain and the land. You will find quiet charm in the small towns, hardworking communities, and a real sense of peace that's hard to describe. We are now passing through Kagio town, one of the busiest and fastest growing towns in Kirinyaga County. Kagio is famous for its vibrant market, especially on market days when traders and farmers from all over the region gather to sell fresh produce, clothes, cereals, livestock, you name it. The energy here is always lively and colorful. It's also a key town along the route connecting Sagana, Kerugoya, Kutus, and other parts of central Kenya, making it an important stop for travelers, matatus, and local businesses. Guys, do you know that Kagio started as a small shopping center but began expanding rapidly in the 1990s, thanks to the increased trade and better road connections? Today, it's a commercial hub in the region, especially known for the Moya rice trade and agricultural produce. We shall make a quick stop here at Kagio Town Market to grab some carrots, tomatoes, onions, and a few other fresh goodies. Everything here looks like it was just picked, so fresh and way more affordable than what you would get in the city. And as always, the vendors bring that home Kenyan vibe. A little chat, a few laughs, and you might just get an extra tomato. As you can see, we've now left the town area behind. The buildings are fewer, the road is quieter, and the views are starting to open up. You can really feel the shift from the busy town life to the calm, open country. It's that peaceful part of the journey where you just sit back, breathe in deeply, and enjoy the ride. Guys, can you believe we have already covered about 3/4 of the journey? Time really flies when the views are this good. We are getting closer and closer to Castle Forest, and I honestly can't wait to soak in the peace and beauty waiting for us out there. But before we arrive, what have you enjoyed most so far? The green countryside, the lively towns, or maybe just the calm road trip vibes? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what stood out for you. We have finally arrived. Yay! Can you see the gate? What a road trip it has been. We have just had a quick chat with the officer at the gate, and now we are all set to head inside. I honestly can't wait to experience that deep connection with nature. Fresh air, natural sounds, and the peaceful calm with no noise, just pure serenity. Guys, have you ever been to Castle Forest before? If yes, let me know in the comments what I should look out for. This is our very first time here, and we are so excited to explore and see what this magical place has. Alright guys, as you can see, the road inside the forest isn't tarmacked, so bear with us if the camera gets a little shaky here and there. It's part of the adventure. It also looks quite cloudy, and it seems we might get some rain soon. Fingers crossed we get to explore a bit before it pours. We have just crossed this beautiful little bridge and made a quick stop to admire the crystal clear water flowing beneath it. It's so clean, you can see through it. But trust me, it's also freezing cold. We also had a lovely chat with this gentleman we met here. Alright, let's keep moving. The adventure continues. We have officially arrived at Castle Forest Lodge. Finally! Before you get in, there's a small entrance fee of Kenya shillings 250 for adults and Kenya shillings 250 for children. That amount is totally worth it. We are going to start off by exploring the area and soaking in the cool, refreshing weather. The air here is so crisp. You instantly feel lighter. I also spotted some horses. Yes, you can actually do horse riding here if you are up for a little adventure. Let's move around and see what more of this place has to offer. Enough of walking around, it's time for a little hike to the waterfall. I honestly can't keep calm. I've been looking forward to this part the most. It rained a few hours ago, so the path is a bit slippery. So we are taking it slow, but trust me, the views will be worth every careful step. Let's go chase that waterfall. Here we are. Just look at that. I honestly can't believe it. The sound, the mist, the way the water flows so powerfully and peacefully at the same time. It's so wonderful to just pause here, take it all in, and have this quiet moment surrounded by pure nature. If this isn't healing, I don't know what is. Guys, and just like that, our time at Castle Forest comes to an end. There's something about being surrounded by trees, waterfall, and silence that just resets your soul. This place has been nothing short of magical, calm, refreshing, and exactly what I didn't know I needed. As we head back home, I am carrying a little more peace, a clearer mind, and a heart full of gratitude. Thank you for coming along on this journey with us. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let me know what part of the adventure spoke to you the most. Until the next trip, stay curious, stay grounded, and keep exploring. Bye!